Chemical conglomerates are poisoning Hawaii with pesticides and genetic crop testing. Seed and chem giants like DuPont started conducting Hawaiian ground trials with genetic modification decades before they were approved by the government. As of 2014, over 3,236 genetically modified field trials had already been conducted in Hawaii. Over 90% of today's genetically modified corn strains were developed in Hawaii. A Center for Food Safety study reported that chem giants like Dow, BASF, Syngenta, and DuPont spray 17 times more restricted use insecticides per acre in Kauai than in ordinary cornfields in the U.S. mainland. The Hawaii Center for Food Safety reports from 2007 to 2012 show that DuPont Pioneer sprays fields on Kauai with 90 different chemical formulations containing 63 active ingredients. The company sprays 8 to 16 times a day every 2 out of 3 days. Another report looking at December 2013 to July 2015 recorded that companies sprayed 18 tons of acutely toxic restricted use pesticides on Kauai. 6 out of the 7 restricted use pesticides being used are suspected of being endocrine disruptors by the EPA. Kauai's residents complain of the sprays and attribute them to the alarming rise in birth defects. The islands of Hawaii, Maui, and Kauai tried to fight back by banning genetic modification and pesticide use. However, in 2016, a federal judge ruled that Hawaiian counties can't pass a ban on genetically modified crops or pesticides. The judge, Consuelo Callahan, was nominated in 2003 by President George W. Bush. Just 2 years ago, Monsanto pleaded guilty to 30 environmental crimes related to their use of a pesticide on cornfields in Hawaii. Monsanto also agreed to plead guilty to 2 other charges related to the storage of a banned pesticide. Despite their crimes against humanity, these chemical companies are still poisoning Hawaiian land, soil, water, and air. There is a growing movement among Hawaiians to create small-scale, community-based biodynamic farming operations and food forests. To help Hawaiians find local places to get fresh food, I've mapped hundreds across the islands on my free farm map that you can find on my website.